Alright, let's do a quick update on Axie Infinity. So I'll make this fairly quick because not much has changed since yesterday's video. So yesterday we outlined that we were kind of still stuck in this triangle pattern here. The base hasn't been in for too long, but you can still see that this downtrending resistance has been very strong since the start of November really. Yesterday we had a candle that broke out of the bull flag, and we're finally having a tiny bit of follow through. We're getting some good volume coming in for this coin, so I do believe that we're going to be starting to head up now. So if we did take a measurement tool, we have the bull flag. If I just take it back, you can see this is where we've got our target from. So the price target of the bull flag is a 37% increase from where we have now, but you can see the next level up that we would want to keep our eyes on is the 200-day moving average, which would be curving round here to about a 45% increase from where we are now. So if in my opinion, if you were going to pick up some AXS, now would be a semi-decent time to pick it up. Obviously this is not financial advice, and I personally don't hold any of this coin. I think the risk adjusted returns of SLP are slightly higher than this coin. Obviously the two coins are linked, so in my opinion I would personally prefer to have a long in for SLP over a long on Axie Infinity. So but obviously these coins are both heading up. There could be a little bit of resistance coming in on this 618 and 786 here, which we have on this box. If we just take a measure move tool, you can see that that would be in the next 5 or 15% up, but obviously we have broken out of this strong resistance that's been here for so long. We are starting to see some volume coming in. The RSI is turning up. I believe this line probably correlates to something better on the weekly. Yep. So we outlined that we have an inverse head and shoulders here, so I'm not going to extrapolate how far the RSI is going to go up, but we definitely could see a pump in the RSI especially on the weekly. If we do come over to the monthly, the RSI is heading up. I mean, it's only been here for like a month, so nothing really too special, but on the monthly as well, not really much volume coming out, and you can see that we've only just poked our head above this this trend line that we've broken out of. So I would like to see some more volume stepping in tomorrow, but like I said, we have broken out of the bull flag, and for now everything seems good. My next price target for this coin, like I said, would be the top of this bull flag, or sorry, the price target of the bull flag, which is at 87, which once again is a 37% pump from where we are now. So yeah, that's basically all I'm seeing for AXS. Let me just come over to the weekly quickly and see if the Heiken-Ashis are still red. So on the Heiken-Ashis, we have had one green candle and we are currently red. So in my opinion, for me to personally believe lots of continuation is going to come through, I would like to see the Heiken-Ashi switch to green. We do have selling volume coming in on the Heiken-Ashi, and also it does seem on the Heiken-Ashi that the trend is still very much going down. So this could change at any minute. I would keep an eye on the daily, especially on the Japanese candlesticks instead of the Heiken-Ashi, because I do believe if we did something like this, back tested, somewhere around about 58, at that point, we could start going off to the races, and the Heiken-Ashis could finally start turning green, and that would mean that potentially the downtrend has subsided. We can finally hop above the 200-day moving average, and potentially even have a retest of the all-time high, which is up here at 165. So this isn't exactly like a descending wedge really. I mean, yeah, it has no touch points here, so it really is just a channel. So in my opinion, there is really no price target backing up the top of here, but we do have some strong confluence coming in on the 618, the 200-day moving average here, and the top of this this bull flag, or the price target of the bull flag. So yeah, AXS is looking very bullish in the mid to short term. We'll need to keep an eye on the long term. As soon as the Heiken-Ashi start turning green, we can start expecting returns to all-time highs, or at least pumps, very strong pumps, maybe even like a 2x pump in a week or something. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for Axie Infinity right now. Once again, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.